Hello everybody, this is Leslie again. Today we are using Sexy Smooth Wax to wax underarms. This is after, before, and then after again. As you can tell, it does completely remove the hair. So right now I am cleansing my friend's underarm. And then right after I go ahead and use some baby powder. I also made sure to test the wax and made sure it was at a good temperature so I don't burn her skin. I am still in esthetician school, so every day I'm trying to learn new techniques on how to apply the wax just to find the best method for myself. I make sure to make myself a little pull tab, and I'm making sure I'm holding the skin taut as I am applying the wax. And as you can see, it got